In this guide, we will show you how to create a drop-down list in Word. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the top of Word to the ribbon. Find a blank space, right-click and select Customize the ribbon. Next, go to the right side under Main tabs and find Developer. You may need to scroll down to see it. Check the box next to it, then click OK. Now place your cursor where you want to insert the drop-down list. I will place mine in this cell. Go to the top, click on Developer, then under Controls, find the drop-down list option on the left. Hover over it to see its label, then click on it to insert. Click on Properties in the Control section. You can give your drop-down list a title such as Select One and enter this in the tag as well. In the drop-down list properties section, remove any existing items by selecting them and clicking Remove. To add new options, click Add, type in your choices and press OK. Repeat this process to add all desired options. Once you are done, click OK to save. To use the list, click on it, then click the arrow to the right to choose an option. It's that simple. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and thanks for watching.